Hi everyone and welcome. Right, I wanted to try something a bit different today. I have this hair tie that I'm going to see about pouring through. Hopefully make something that resembles a flower, but we will see. Right, I've just got a 12 by 12 square canvas. I have some white paint, some black, and this sort of purpley color that I've mixed. What I'll do is I'll pop the recipes and the paints I used into the description. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in sort of puddles, and hopefully it'll spread through nicely through that hairband or hair tie thing. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll speed up the video at this stage and I'll put some music on for you and I'll get back to you in a sec. Hi everyone. Okay, today I am trying out again a product that I got more of in the mail. It's called Boom Gel Stain and it's a ready-made pouring paint. Comes in absolutely beautiful colors. I'm just using the white and the black today, and this time I've actually diluted the paint a little bit for a pearl pour. I've used 2 parts of the Boom Gel and 1 part distilled water. And yes, I'm just laying down the sterling wax white there, and then adding some Willy Wagtail black. Don't you just love that name? Yeah, the black is okay, and we are back. Right, just want to talk about something quickly. Something I noticed as I was pouring through. See how the colors have gone really quite sort of pastel and mixed at the edges? That's when I was still pouring just carefully a little bit at a time in the middle. But then I noticed that if I pour with a heavier hand and let the paint come to about halfway across the hair tie, I was getting a much more pronounced separation of colors. So that's what I kept doing. Okay, and now, oh good grief, try and lift this up without making a mess. Yes. Oh wow, oh wow, look at that center, that's cool. Oh, I love that, how that black just stayed there really nicely. Okay, so I think all that's left to do now is spin this out. So I might need to spread the paint. Actually, I'll do that now because corners are notoriously difficult to get moving. And yeah, I'll just smooth it out towards the edges here, just to help it move along. There's so much paint right there in the middle that is, I know, is fine to do this. And also this is the not so nice section of the pour where the, like I said, where the paint was sort of mixing too much. It's funny how going much more heavy-handed with it actually did the trick. That's quite surprising. I like that. I like discovering things as I go along. Yeah, it's fun. Okay, right, let's just give it a spin, see what happens. Carefully now. Wow. Oh wow, I can't believe the way that looks. That is so cool. Okay, the other way a little bit. Really don't need to spin this fast. The paint is moving really nicely. Oh, I love that. I am in love. Sorry, getting just a tad excited here. I'm just gonna make sure the corners are covered, especially where the canvas is folded. Excuse me, can be a bit of a challenge. So I'm just making sure those bits are covered and just give it a couple more just gentle spins. I don't want that center to distort too much. That looks so nice. I could do with that bit going off a little bit. That's where we still have that not so nicely mixed bit. Oh, but I am so happy with this. Oh, yay. Love it. Okay, just one more. I think just one more maybe. Gentle spin. Try and get that part right there to fall off. Yeah, it's coming off nicely now. Okay. Do I want to spin one more? Yeah, one more. The other direction. That center is starting to get distorted a little bit. Yeah, no, I don't want to spin anymore. Perhaps I can move the center across just a tad. Yeah, I think that's done. Oh wow, let me just show you what it looks like close up. I'll just go ahead and torch it as well, and I'll bring the camera around to this side so I can show you what it looks like. Like I said, I'll just give it a torch and I'll wipe the edges or under the edges a few times because I don't want any more of the design to be pulled off. But I love that. That is such a cool flower effect. Oh wow. Okay, right, I'll just grab the camera to this side. Right, so I have torched it and nothing untoward's happened at all. I love the details of this, and I've checked my sides and my corners and everything looks really good. So all I'm gonna keep doing, oh excuse me, put my finger in front of the camera. All I'm gonna keep doing is just wiping the let me show you, just wiping under the edges here. See how there's lots of paint still there? So you want to keep doing that. Make sure the paint, the weight of the paint doesn't distort the design. So this is something I'll probably keep doing periodically for the next half an hour or so. But yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks ever so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks. Bye.